In this video, I'll guide you through how to use ClickUp for your e-commerce business so you can keep your products and operations organized in one place. To get started, make sure you're in the correct workspace and looking at the space where you want to manage your e-commerce operations. Think of a space as the big folder that holds everything related to a major area of your business. Within that space, we're going to create a dedicated list to keep track of your products and tasks. Look over to the left-hand side of your screen where your spaces and folders are listed. Find the space you want to use, then hover next to its name. You'll see a small plus icon appear. Click that plus icon next to your space, and from the menu that opens, choose the option labeled List. This will create a new list inside that space. When the new list window appears, give it a clear, descriptive name so you instantly know what it's for. Type in e-commerce operations. Using a name like this makes it obvious that everything inside this list will be related to your online store's day-to-day work, like managing products, tracking inventory, or coordinating with suppliers. Once your e-commerce operations list is created, you'll want to customize how work moves through different stages. This is where statuses come in. At the top of your list view, look for the statuses icon. It usually shows the current status options like to do or in progress. Click on that statuses icon and then select Manage Statuses. Here you can create stages that reflect the life cycle of your products. For an e-commerce business, it's helpful to think about how an item goes from idea to being available for sale. Add a status called In Design for products that are still being created or planned. Then add Production for items currently being manufactured or prepared. Next, add In Stock for products that are ready to sell and available in your inventory. Finally, add Out of Stock for items that have sold out or are temporarily unavailable. Arranging your statuses in this order lets you move tasks or product entries through each stage as they progress. This gives you a quick visual overview of what's still being developed, what's on the way, and what's currently available for customers. Now that your list and statuses are set, you'll want a view that makes it easy to manage SKUs and stock levels. At the top of your list, look for the Plus View button. Click Plus View, and from the options that appear, select Table. The table view is perfect for e-commerce because it lets you see a lot of information at once in a spreadsheet-like layout. You can add columns for SKU numbers, product names, quantities in stock, supplier details, and any other fields that matter to your business. As your inventory changes, you can update quantities directly in this table view, filter by status to see only items that are out of stock, or sort by SKU to find specific products quickly. By creating the e-commerce operations list, setting meaningful statuses like in design, production, in stock, and out of stock, and switching to the table view, you'll have a streamlined visual way to manage your entire e-commerce inventory and workflow right inside ClickUp.